G back on the screen. Great topic here today. Agent recently has spoke on how he feels about NBA 2K24, and he just feels like genuinely 2K makes him feel depressed. Okay? Now, I want you guys to watch this, then we're going to watch another old video. I'm going to talk about some stuff here today. So let's listen.
Yo, chat, on some real shit. Bro, yesterday on stream, nigga, I played NBA 2K24. I don't know how to explain this to y'all. I felt like a type of depression I haven't felt in years, bro. On God, I played FIFA. FIFA upped my mood a little bit. Nigga, I was just like, I was trying to get out them bad. Bro, 2K just made me depressed. I haven't caught that feeling gaming in dumb long. So I like, bro, I had hella shit to do that night anyway. Thank God I got off early, because, bro, oh my God, I would have been up till like 6 a.m. doing shit. But yeah, bro, I mean, your ass. Bro, do you know that, like, in good games, you could be bad and still have fun? Bro, why do you feel like you have to be great at a game to have fun? Bro, I fucking suck at Rainbow Six, but I have a marvelous time when I play it. You feel me? Like, why are you acting like you gotta be a professional, semi-pro, automatic, like, aimbot-ass nigga to have fun in a video game? It's impossible, bro. Some of you niggas is, like, deranged, bro. If you're not, like, competing in the pro league, like, you're not having fun. Bro, that's not me, bro. That's not me. W gatekeeping.
He said the perfect words. That's not me. Agent don't hoop. Doesn't hoop IRL. Agent has to kind of get this in his mind as well. When somebody says your ass, it's just basically, yes, people know that games can be fun and you still be bad in the game. But that was back then when games were more simple. Gaming has gotten simple. I mean, gaming was simple back then. Not too much features, not too much on this build, not too much. And it's really like, basically like, let me compare it to like you playing Pac-Man. Like people having fun with playing Pac-Man. Some people can have fun playing Pac-Man right now. I can't. You know what I mean? So understand we all got our differences. 2, all gaming right now, if you're not good in it, 9 times out of 10, unless you're playing with your homies and y'all actually trying and you guys are just trying to work together and play and have fun, that's the only way you guys are having fun. Call of Duty sweats, Apex sweats, Fortnite sweats. Everybody said Fortnite was peak when nobody was building crazy. We all understand that. We all played it at that time. I did as well. Any game you want to name. He says Rainbow Six is an old game. I don't even see people talking about Rainbow Six. I don't see nobody uploading YouTube content. I mean, there probably is, but like I said, it's not a big popular thing that I see every day, like on my Twitter feed, nothing like that, right? That's his choice of game. Some people play Call of Duty and they're not playing Rainbow Six at all. They just don't want to. They rather play Call of Duty. They're a Call of Duty guy. Understand, everybody has their own differences. Does 2K actually make you guys feel depressed? What do you guys think about that? With Agent, he hasn't been a great 2K player. And I feel like with any game, think about it. And we're going to get into this next video. You're playing a basketball game. If you're not good in the basketball game, like at least at a pro level. Agent was not even at a pro level. It's a difference. Like pro level is just where you got a certain amount of stick skill, a certain amount of control, etc. to experience the game. This is why I said people that are really not into basketball were always going to get off of 2K. Because it wasn't about the enjoyment for them in the 2K at first. What was the enjoyment for them? That they blew up. They were getting traction from uploading 2K, something that they kind of did like, oh, basketball for a second, but it's not, they're not like a diehard where it's like to the point where they want to play a basketball game. And I'm always try to explain that as in, if I can't hoop outside, I'm on a basketball type game doing something involving around some basketball. You get what I'm saying? Notes with the homies, whatever the case is, playing against homies type time. Let's watch this.
For our first story of the day, Mike Wang seems to be up to something. What you gonna do now, Stretch? What you gonna do, Stretch? You ain't got no moves.
This is not basketball. And then I can tap the D-pad down. I get a super burst.
The next archetype gonna make you want to take off your game and just say to hell with 2K. He said, come back, please, Baluba.
He just said ISO doesn't work. This community has got to go. Oh, come here. You thought you were done. Shoot over those then.
I swear, everyone who liked that shit, you're a fucking nerd.
And the dude shot 6 for 11 with us bitching. And I can focus on y'all and my YouTube. Unfollowing all the fakes tomorrow. YouTubers are not safe. Spamming dribble moves and getting an ankle breaker that a defender can't even control isn't skill. It's just abuse. By the way, ISO doesn't even work. Nobody good ISOs. You use 2 bigs on 2K and exploit it. Your opinion isn't valid. ISO would still drop you off though. The Council of Locks approves this message. This gotta be the dumbest thing I've seen on Twitter. He's right. What are defenders supposed to do to prevent multiple ankle breakers in one possession? Don't say play.
See what Duke's saying? See why? You see how they care about basketball, but they don't care about it enough where they care about being a 2K YouTuber still. Let me just put it like that. That makes it way easier. Look how they talk about 2K YouTuber, and I fuck with Duke. I fuck with Agent. But look how they talk about being a 2K YouTuber or getting on the game of 2K. But look how certain people like me and there's other creators that can, and we can still draw attention and get attraction, can have fun on the game because we're in this basketball mindset while playing the game more so. Caring about the real details of, oh, I hit him with a euro right here, oh, I hit the step back right there, or I did a spin and crossed him right here, without having an ankle breaker pop off, whatever the case is. But people also miss the old ankle breaker animations that used to be in the game as well too, which made 2K passion. So you see how when we have the biggest of our creators and they all dipped, but this was the biggest of the influence that we had. And I'm always trying to make people realize it, like, yo, you guys are really not playing it in that way. Niggas was kind of just getting on, you make your player, you make them look like you get it in the game, you drop somebody off, content. Like, people were in that mindset, money more so. And we had to come to that understanding. Or we would have had built communities doing this thing here and there. It kind of was always separated. You seen the guys that was up labs, boom, boom. It wasn't really like a big community type thing. I don't know how to put it, but look.
Play defense either. Okay, wait, hold on. I ran out of some epic music, but there's still some more tweets, and we gotta get to the drama. Take ankle breaker animations out of 2K and I'd still beat my defender every time. That's what I did in 16. Power is a fucking idiot! People with the best records in the game ISO. And I don't have to zigzag and shoot over someone's head full.
I bet you had no idea you could buy products like
Power is autistic. What do you call this kind of dumb shit AIDS? I'ma really get my Twitter banned responding to idiots on here. Power, feel free to pull up on me anytime if you think ISO ain't shit. Just say when, I'll add you myself. If you base your offense on getting open shots and taking open shots, you'll never struggle to score when shot contest gets a buff. Now tell me you know more than the OG. Okay, let's slow things down. The drama didn't start a few days ago, it started months before that, and I've been covering it on 2K Drama Alert, and it's good for me because it gives me good content. I guess it's kind of good for the community because it's really entertaining. But aside from all of that, I think everybody kind of just wants it to stop. But it continued to escalate until those tweets when it reached an all-time high. If you've been on Twitter, you literally caught it all, and it was people.
You can't shoot directly in people's face no more. Like, I mean, you can't, like it happens, but not as nearly as often as it used to.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Have you seen those clips? Like, I think Poor Boy Sin put one up of somebody being not even close to their defender, and 2K somehow registered it as lightly contested.
Yes, I have. That's exactly what Davis wanted, though.
No, it's not, bro.
I
just don't want my mom to be able to get on and go 7 for 7, okay? I just don't want that to happen. Clearly is a problem. You literally have your own saying that we shoot over those.
I don't want my mom to be able to get on and go 7 for 7. My whole point of showing y'all this video was that how people were complaining about certain things being easy in the game for players, just because certain players with higher skill levels would be able to abuse it or just be better with it, right? Leading to them. What did happen when 2K made 23 and 24? Extra competitive, skill-based gaming, gameplay. That's what they were promoting. So now that the game has always been trying to do, I've been telling y'all this from since we was playing 17 and we was making it look easy, just doing straight greens, making jump shot videos how to green like this. The devs kind of wondering like, what the, everybody greening like this? They didn't think that we was gonna be this nice on the game, point blank period, as a whole, as a community. Let's put it like that, right? Once that happened, now they make the game harder. They was been trying to say, okay, we gotta start making this game harder from since 17. I'm telling y'all, from since 17. 18 they messed up with the windows, and remember 2K don't got time, y'all. They only got like a year, like 2 years or something, a year starting. They don't got too much time. They gotta make the next game. They gotta already work on the next game, the next rollout, the next trail, all this. And it already feels like they be behind because they be having a lot of mess ups in their games. So at the end of the day, the people that play 2K are really the people who just like basketball. Like even some of the creators, like even me, why I be playing it still, uploading content still, because I still like basketball. So it's like, why even just say, oh, let me scratch this whole thing because I want to jump to the IRL. I can do IRL videos too. My IRL channel is getting numbers as we speak right now, while I'm still uploading 2K. You know, so it's just something I honestly enjoy. Obviously, they didn't enjoy it. They just got the clout at first and the money, and that will make you enjoy it a little bit more. But you guys still see I can still do it while I still don't have the full high maximum clout. We're gonna get there, but
but I still do though. Like
exactly. There's an issue. Am I wrong?
But I should. When I say that, I don't
snitched on himself, bro.
I don't mean shoot heavily contestants and they go in.
So you just shoot over the person and it counts as lightly, and you're satisfied with that.
Oh boy,
bro. Actually, that's dead because we're talking about guard shooting over sinners. There are plenty of sinners that just shoot over other sinners, bro. You're telling me
look,
if you go to the comp stage, you're telling me you're not gonna see 3 sinner lineups, and it's just 3 sinners on both teams just shooting over.
Listen, look, all right, look. This is gonna end. All right, how the shooting is now, it is exactly how it is in real life. KD can shoot over Curry, but not 100%. If Curry come and defend KD shots, sometimes KD will hit.
Duke brings up a pretty good point. A lot of people tend to quote realism when they're talking about changes they want to make to the game, but realism wouldn't work because a pure sharp, Stephen Curry, he shoots over defenders all the time, and you don't see pure sharps arguing that they deserve to shoot contested shots.
Griffin lunges, Curry with a free. Don't give him any airspace. Blake Griffin not.
But you can't. Okay, we're gonna stop at it there because I don't know how much if he may have copyrighted. You can't implement. They can't implement that in the game and make it fair. That's the trouble. That's the problem they've been having. So I want you guys to let me know, man. When you're playing 2K, are you depressed really playing the game? If so, why play a game that makes you depressed? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. It's been bugging me why I be seeing that. Like, why not just get up completely? How does it make you depressed? How can others be good at it, having fun, going crazy? Drop the like. I'll see y'all in the next one.